Welcome to Crochet Techniques with Melissa from cmelissacraft.com. To do an invisible starting double crochet two together, you would pull up a loop about the height of a double crochet, bring your yarn around the front and then behind the yarn, so you've wrapped it around, hold the loop on with your finger, otherwise it's just going to do that. So hold it on with your finger,
at the beginning of a round or a row.
Hook around, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then we are going to yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So now we've gotten an invisible starting double crochet two together.